Hi friends, in this video we will see how to do the registration for the Swayam NPTEL exam. So first step is to do the sign onto the swayam.gov.in. So type into your browser swayam.gov.in. This link is also provided into the description box of this video. Now click on this sign in. Now you will get three options to do the login: Microsoft account, Google and Facebook. So from the Facebook you will get the login as a social networking, but as a professionally you go with the Google account. Now, when you click onto the Google, it will redirect you to your Gmail account. Now select your email ID and type your password here. Now after successful login, it will again redirect you to the Swayam home page. Now here onto the top right corner you will get your email ID displayed over there. Now when we click onto this, you will get two tabs as a My Courses and Sign Out. Now click on to My Courses. When we click on My Courses, you will get the courses that you are enrolled. So here we can see the courses that I enrolled. So here I can see Introduction to Internet of Things. Onto the second tab you will get the completed courses. That means the courses that you have completed earlier. Okay. So first we will go into the first tab, that is upcoming or ongoing courses that we have enrolled. Now for the registration of this course, you need to click on register for exam. When we click on go to course, you are going into the home page of that course where you will get all the contents of respective course. Now for the exam registration, we will click on to this tab, that is register for exam. When we click onto this tab, another tab will open and it will redirect us toward the examform.nptel.ac.in. Now here we have to fill our personal information. Here we will get the NPTEL exam registration page. So the timelines and the guidelines are also available here and the final course list. Now go to the personal info. The bottom blue tab is there. We will click on that. As I have already filled that information, so we'll just save our time. So select your name, date of birth, address, state, country. Here click onto this checkbox that I hereby confirm that the postal address is correct. After that enroll your mobile number, gender. Now here we have to upload our passport size photo in the format of .jpg or jpeg, and the size requirement is 50 kb to 150 kb. Same size requirement is for signature as well. So that is 50 kb to 150 kb photo and sign we have to upload. There are different directions related with the photo and sign, that the photo should be front facing, and as per the requirement it should be a passport size. After that we need to upload a ID proof, that is in the format of PDF, JPG or JPEG. The size is having 50 kb to 2 MB. You can upload here your Aadhaar card, voter ID card or driving license, etc. Next we have the category tab. If you are comes under the SC/ST category, then you have to upload your category or caste certificate. Then it will ask us about the disabilities. So if you have any kind of a disability, you can select over there. If you select any kind of a disability, you have to upload that certificate as well. Now this tab is very important. What is the role? So if you are a student, so then select the student, or whatever be the role, that is faculty, employer, or any other. Now how did you know about the courses? As we are having a NPTEL local chapter, so we will select the NPTEL local chapter here. Now another tab is that, are you okay if we share your details with the potential employers? The meaning is that if you score very good into the exam, so the NPTEL will share your scores to the other third party companies, so that if you have any kind of interest, so you can select their yes. and if the company is required any resource person or any manpower, so they can contact you at that time. So probably you just select over there yes. Now what is your motivation? So I have selected here for the research purpose. Then click on save and continue. When we select save and continue, it will redirect us toward the another page. Here we have to select our country, then your state, your city of college. Remember, city of college, then college name. When you select your state and the city, so automatically your college name will be appeared into the drop down. So here I will select the college name. Then it will ask us the area, then department. Choose this department wisely, otherwise your Spock will not get the details correctly. Another main important thing is that can we share your score with your college? So kindly do it to the yes. Otherwise, your details will not be available with the Spock. That means your details or all the registration details will not be available to the college. So if you want to give your details to the college, so mark it yes. Then click onto this checkbox that your hall ticket or your all your registrations or certificate details will be available with this Spock. Then click on save and continue. Then it will give us the payment way. So the course is selected. Here you will get the exam date as well. So for this course the exam date is 20 December and that is a Sunday, and you have to pay 1100. Okay. Now if you want to add any other course or if you have enrolled more than one course, so you can again go to the add course. For example, I will just revise this process. So I am just remove this course. So initially you will get this kind of a structure. Okay. Here you have to do the add course. Here no courses is selected. So add course. So basically I have this course that I have enrolled for this same. So introduction to Internet of Things. Next exam day, it will automatically gives us the predefined date, that is 20 December, and mark for a faculty development program. If you are a faculty, so choose this option as a yes. So that will gives us the FDP as a certificate. Then we have to click onto the add course. When we click onto the add course, course is added into your cart. Next step is to select the exam city. So we'll go toward the next, select exam city. Here for this course we have to select the cities. So for that, first we need to click on edit button here. Now the tabs are editable now. So the first preference for the exam we have to select there. So I will select the state first, then city. Second preference again a state with the city. Now the third preference will be out of 1 and 2. If 1 and 2 will not be available, then third option will be selected automatically. So next, after selecting the cities for this course, click on confirm and save. Now it will again ask us confirmed and pay now. So cities are confirmed, right? So now we will click on confirmed and pay. When we click on this button, the summary will be get. So these are the details we have. If you want to check your ID proof of profile photos and signatures, you can check over there. Check all your details. Here FDP for that 100 rupees is added. For the student, you didn't get any kind of option as a FDP, so you have to pay 1000. But for the faculty, those have selected FDP need to pay 1100. Now these are the some terms and conditions. Now click on I agree to all the above checkbox and continue to payment. Now after clicking on this, you will redirect you to the payment gateway. Now here we have to select the payment option, that is either a credit card, debit card, internet banking or any other. So in this way, after doing this, you will get a confirmation page. After the successful payment, you will get a payment status like this. Now you have to click on this tab, continue with registration. When we click onto that tab, we will get a status as a payment complete. That is a green one, right? And that FDP is also applicable. So in this way, we can do the payment for the NPTEL exam. Thank you.